Your hands are gross. Okay. Look, Clayton, look. Yeah, let's give you blue. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't put it in there. Okay, let me show you how to do it. Alright, I know. We're going to start off slow. Okay, see, watch this. Ready? Woo! You want to try? Come on. Here. Like this. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Okay, no eating it. Oh my God. No eating. Here, Clayton, look. Watch. Like this. Clayton, look. Like this. Hold it in your hand. See, look at the color it makes on the paper. Okay, no. Here, try again. Like this. Watch Aunt Callie. Watch, ready? Hi. I'm coloring. Okay, you try. You try. You try with the red. Clayton, I got the big ones. I got the big crayons for you. Okay. Try on the paper. Okay. On the look. Yeah, I know. You're silly. Here. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Woo, look. See, I have both now. Don't you want one? You can't eat it. Don't eat it, honey. I know, but don't eat it. How about that? Try again. Try again. Oh my God. Oh my God, Bluetooth. I'm gonna call you Bluetooth. Here, try again. Try again. Don't eat it. Don't eat it, I said. But don't eat it. Okay, oh my God. Check it, Clayton, here, I'll guide your hand. You just hold the crayon. Oh my God. Hold the crayon, and I'll guide your hand. Oh my God, alright. Look at the tips of these already. We've had them for 10 seconds. Okay. Don't eat it. Oh my gosh, here. Come on, baby genius. I know you can do it. I know you can. Quit it. Quit trying to put it in your mouth. Oh my God, you got blue on your teeth. Here, try again. No. Look, you're doing it. Oh my God, you're almost doing it. Here, try this again. It doesn't matter which color it is. Neither of them are allowed to go in your mouth, honey. Okay, they're not for mouth times. They're for paper times. They're for creative times. Come on, be creative. Alright. Is this a lost cause for now? And maybe if I just sit and color in front of you for a while. Here, I'll draw a nice tree with some red leaves. Blue leaves. Red trunk is what I meant. Look at that. Look at that. You want to try? Okay, that's not what I meant. Alright. Video's